Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I am Bahubali. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on learners evaluation related to teaching aptitude for your AP Set examination 2020. For your AP Set examination, we are providing you full syllabus with video lectures plus 20 mock tests only at rupees 1999. If you don't want to join for crash course, alternatively you can join only for 20 mock tests which are available only at rupees 499 on our website and our WhatsApp group. And once if you join to our 20 mock tests or our crash course, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group where we will get the links of the test, where you can download the PDF and all. And this is our schedule of our tests. And here the first test is free. If you want to check your score, you can give the first test for free. Let us move to the questions. Here the question is, good evaluation of written materials should not be based on option A, linguistic expression, option B, logical presentation, option C, ability to reproduce whatever is read, option D, comprehension of subject. Friends, here the right answer is option C, ability to reproduce whatever is read. Good evaluation of written material should not be based on ability to reproduce whatever is read. So option C is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. A time bound testing program for students should be implemented in schools so that option A, the progress of the students should be informed to their parents. Option B, a regular practice can be carried out. Option C, the students can be trained for final examinations. Option D, the remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the students. The right answer is option D, the remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the students. So option D is the right answer related to time bonding testing program. Please remember this. And here the time bonding testing, it is a remedial program. Please remember, it is a remedial program. It can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the students, from the results. Please remember this. Time bounding testing, it is a remedial program and it is adopted on the basis of the feedback from the results. And a time bound testing program for students should be implemented in schools so that remedial program can be adopted on the basis of the feedback from the results. So I hope you got this. Let us move to the next question. What type of test is most effective when trying to test memorization? Okay, when we are trying to test the memorization, which type of test we will use? Option A, true or false. Option B, multiple choice. Option C, fill in the blanks. Option D, both A and B. Here the right answer is option B. Option D, both B and C. Okay, we to test the memorization, we use multiple choice questions and also fill in the blanks. So options D, B and C is the right answer. The next question is, summative evaluation is used for which of the following purposes? Option A, to monitor students' progress during the learning process. Option B, primarily to certify or grade students. Option C, to find out what students' interest and work habits are. Option D, to assign students to specific learning groups. Here questions are also there in Telugu. You can pause the video and you can read the questions and options in Telugu. Here the right answer is option B, primarily to certify or grade students. Okay, it is related, it is the summative evaluation. It will take place at the end of the course. So the right answer is option B. And summative evaluation, it takes place at the end of the unit or at the end of the course. For example, when we write an final examination, it is known as the summative evaluation. And here the examples of test scores or grades are used to evaluate achievements. A grade, B grade. Okay. Focus on mainly the product rather than process. Please remember this. In summative evaluation, the main focus is on product rather than process. Okay, I hope you got this. Let us move to the next question. When a student takes the same test twice, it is referred as option A, post test, option B, pre test, option C test, retest, option D after test. The right answer is option C test, retest. When the students are taking the same test twice to the same people at the different times to see the scores are the same. Here the teacher is conducting the same test twice to the same students at the different time. It is known as the test retest. For example, test on a Monday, then again the following on Monday, the same test. The next question is the most important indicator of quality of education in an educational institute is option A infrastructural facilities of a school, option B classroom system, option C textbooks and teaching learning material, option D student achievement level. Okay, the most important indicator of quality of education is option D student achievement level. Based on students achievement we can understand the quality of education of that institution. So option D is the right answer. Okay, let us see the next question. Which test is carried out to determine the ability of a learner? Option A aptitude, option B attitude, option C achievement, option D scholastic. The right answer is option A aptitude test. Okay, the next question. The words write, list, label and name when used in an examination test the option A comprehension level, option B application level, option C knowledge level, option D synthesis level. The right answer is option C knowledge level. The words, list, label, they will all check the knowledge level of the students. The next question is by which of the following methods the true evaluation of the students is possible? Option A evaluation at the end of the course, which is known as the summative evaluation. Option B evaluation twice in a year. Option C continuous evaluation. Option D formative evaluation. The right answer is continuous evaluation. Continuous evaluation which will help to the students, okay, to check their achievement level throughout the course. So continuous evaluation is known as the true evaluation. Okay friends, for your AP set examination we are providing you full syllabus video lecture crash course with 20 mock tests only at rupees 1999 on our global online university app. Alternatively you can only join for 20 mock tests at rupees 499 on our website and also on our WhatsApp group. The next question is, here the assertion is formative evaluation tends to accelerate the pace of learning. Reason as against summative evaluation, formative evaluation is highly reliable. First one, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Second one, both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third one, A is true, R is false. Fourth one, A is false, R is true. Okay, assertion formative evaluation tends to accelerate the pace of learning. Yes, this is right. As against summative evaluation, formative evaluation is highly reliable. Not like that friends. So here the right answer is option 3. A is true, R is false. Here assertion is given right but the reason is not correct. The next question, on the basis of summative tests, a teacher is interpreting his or her students' performance in terms of their wellness lifestyle evident in behavior. This will be called option A formative testing, option B, option 2 continuous and comprehensive evaluation, option 3 norm referenced testing, option 4 criterion referenced testing. Okay, when a teacher is checking students' performance in terms of their wellness lifestyle, it is known as the criterion referenced test. Please remember, it is known as the criterion referenced test. Okay, criterion referenced test, it is a style of test which uses test scores to generate a statement about behavior that can be expected of a person with that scores. Okay, in this case the objective is simply to see whether the student has learned the material. Please remember here the main objective is whether to see whether the student has learned the material. Let us move to the next question. Which one of the following is a key behavior in effective teaching? Option 1, using student ideas and contribution. Option 2, structuring. Option 3, instructional variety. Option 4, questioning. The right answer is option 3, instructional variety. It is a key behavior in effective teaching. Okay, in the match the following, set 1 is showing us method of teaching, set 2 is showing us basic requirements. Here option A, lecturing. Option B, discussion in groups, brainstorming, programmed. Okay, let us move to the answer directly. Here the right answer is option 3. Lecturing is related to content delivery in a language, in a lucid language. Next, discussion in groups, theme based interaction among participants. Discussion in groups, theme based interaction among participants. Then brainstorming, production of large number of ideas, and programmed instructional, small step presentation with feedback. Programmed instruction, small step presentation with feedback provided. Please remember these answers. The next question is, effectiveness of teaching has to be judged in terms of option A, course coverage. Option B, students' interest. Option C, learning outcomes of students. Option D, use of teaching aids in the classroom. The right answer is option C, learning outcomes of students. Please remember the answer. Okay, the next question is, the use of teaching aids is justified on the grounds of first option, attracting students' attention in the classroom. Option 2, minimizing indiscipline problems in the classroom. Option 3, optimizing learning outcomes of the students. Option 4, effective engagement of students in learning tasks. The right answer is option 3, optimizing learning outcomes of students. And teaching aids are those objects which are used by the teacher. Okay, please remember, teaching aids are used by the teacher to enhance the classroom instruction. And examples such as books, pictures, map, DVD, computer, etc. These are all come under the teaching aids. Okay, as a teacher, select the best option to ensure your effective presence in the classroom. Option 1, use of peer command. Option 2, making aggressive statements. Option 3, adoption of well established posture. Option 4, being authoritarian. The right answer is adoption of well established posture. Okay, the next question is, the main objectives of students evaluation of teachers are to gather information about student weaknesses, to make teachers take teaching seriously, to help teachers adopt innovative methods of teaching. Fourth one, to identify the areas of further improvement on teachers traits. Here the right answer is to gather information about student weakness, so this is wrong. Okay, to make teachers teaching seriously, yes, this is right. To help teachers adopt innovative method of teaching, yes. To identify the areas of further improvement, yes. So here the right answer is second one, B, C, D are right, but A is wrong here. Okay, the next question, which one of the following statements is correct in the context of multiple choice questions? First one, they are more objective than true false type questions. Second one, they are less objective than essay type questions. Third one, they are more subjective than short answer type questions. Fourth one, they are more subjective than true false type questions. Friends, this question is I kept for you. You have to answer for this question. Comment your answer in the comment box. Okay friends, this is about today's session. Once again, I would like to tell you about our, for AP set, we are providing you full syllabus video lecture crash course with 20 mock tests with solution PDF only at rupees 1999, and alternatively you can only join for 20 mock tests with solution PDF only at rupees 499. Our crash course is available on Global Online University app. You can download it from Play Store, and 20 mock tests are available on our website and our WhatsApp group. The link for to download the app will be given in the description box. And once if you join to our crash course or 20 mock tests, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group. To join for this, you can contact to this given number. The number is on your screen. Okay, thank you very much. I wish all the best for all the candidates who are appearing in the case AP set examination 2020. Thank you.